If you're looking for a video on how to solve Rubik's Cube, you come to the right place. So here, I'll provide you the easiest tutorial ever. Welcome to CubeQuest. Let's get started. So today's video is divided into like three steps. Step 1, step 2, and step 3. So in step 1, we'll learn how to solve the first layer. In step 2, the second layer, and in step 3, the third layer. So basically, we solve Rubik's Cube layer by layer. People think that, like many people think that, we solve Rubik's Cube face by face. So it's not like that. If we solve face by face, it's not even possible. So we solve the cube layer by layer. So let's get into step 1. So the first thing in step 1 is to make a daisy on top. So to make a daisy, we put 4 white edge pieces around the yellow center. Like, I'll show you. Here's one, and the other edge piece is here, and the other edge piece is here. You can put it like this, and the fourth edge piece you can insert like this. To solve the daisy, you don't need any algorithm, just basic common sense. And also, don't need confuse between corner piece and edge piece. This piece right here is the edge piece, these are corner piece, and this is the center piece. I hope you got it alright. So the next thing in the first step is after making the daisy. So first we need to align the color with the center piece. Just take this. Here the blue color is aligned with the blue center, so it's correct. So we need to turn the cube 180 degrees like this. Now the next edge piece. Green. It's not aligned with red. They are different colors. So first align it with green. Green. Now turn it 180 degrees. Clockwise or anti-clockwise. Now orange. It's already aligned. Turn it 180 degrees. Red. It's not aligned. Align it and turn it 180 degrees. So after doing the daisies, we get a bottom like white plus sign here. So then now the step comes on solving the first layer, it's the main step, okay? So before getting into solving the first layer, there's an algorithm which you need to learn called the right hand algorithm. Basically it's so simple, you don't need to worry like it's an algorithm, oh my god, I need to learn it so much. It's nothing like that, it's so simple, and if you look it, you can easily get it. So the algorithm goes like, this is right side, right? And this is the up. It goes like right, up, right down, up left. Right, up, right down, up left. I'll suggest you to do this algorithm, practice this algorithm for some time before getting into the next solving process. So I'll show you again. It goes like right, up, right down, up left. Now after you learn the algorithm, now it comes to this line. So now we have to use the algorithm. So now here take one side, red, green, white, this side. So here the red, green, white corner piece needs to be inserted here so that this place gets solved. So you need to search for the corner piece where it is. It's right here, red, green, and white. So it needs to get inserted here. So first bring it on top where it needs to get inserted, and then now do the algorithm which I just said. Up, right, up, right down, up left. Right, up, right down, up left. Right, up, right down, up left. See, it's solved. You need to do the algorithm until it gets solved. Okay, you don't need to like check the steps. You need to do it until it gets solved. So the next side, green and orange. First, the green and orange corner is right here. So first, bring it on top. Do the same algorithm to bring it on top. Right, up, right down, up left. So it's on top. Now we repeat the same algorithm until it gets solved here too. Right up, right down, up left, right up, right down, up left, right up, right down, up left. So it's solved here. Now next side, orange and blue. Same stuff, the corner piece is already on top where it needs to get inserted. Right up, right down, up left, right up, right down, up left, right up, right down, up left. See it's solved? And the same thing for the red and blue side too. Done. So after we solve the first layer, so after you're done with the first layer, you're going to go to like a reverse T small side. So now comes the second layer. So the second step we discussed earlier in the video. So before going to the second step, I would introduce their algorithm called the left hand algorithm. It's similar to the right hand algorithm. Please don't be scared. It's an easy algorithm, and if you're concentrating on the video, it's very, very easy. So as right hand algorithm was like up, right, down, left. Up, right, down, left. Similarly, in the left-hand algorithm, is on the left side, up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. So I would suggest you to practice this algorithm before getting further into the video, so it gets easy for you. Now, after you learn both the algorithms, now we get into the second layer. So to solve the second layer, previously in the first layer, we solved the corner piece, right? Now we solve the edge piece. So it's the same way, let's say take some random side. Now I take orange and green side. So the orange and green edge piece needs to insert here. So first find where it is. The orange and green edge piece is right here. Now, we need to take it here. So first take it here. The edge piece, it has two colors, green and orange. So the bottom side is orange and the above side is green. So first align orange with orange. Done. Now let's check on the top side. The top side is green. Green is right on the left side. So turn it away. Instead of turning it towards green, turn it away from green, like this. So green on the left side, put it on the right side. Now, green on the left side, do the left-hand algorithm right here. Up, like what I said, left-hand algorithm. And then go to the green side and do the right-hand algorithm here. See? That piece is solved. I know you're a bit confused because even I was confused at first, but I'll show you again, don't worry. Now, take this side, orange and blue. Now when you find the orange and blue edge piece, which needs to get inserted here. The orange and blue edge piece is right here. So first, you take the bottom side and align it with the orange. Just align and blue. It's to the right. But what I said, like I said, then you take it away from the color which is on the top. So blue is on the right, then you take it to the left. So it's right here. So blue is on the right, so do the right hand algorithm here. And then go to blue side and do the left hand algorithm here. See? You solve again here. Voila! The same here too. Blue and red. Blue and red piece is right here. The bottom side is aligned with red. The top is blue and blue is on the left. Take it away. And blue, since blue is on the left, do the left hand algorithm here first. Then go to blue and do the right hand algorithm. So it got inserted. And same as the last side, red and green. Red and green, like the same way, find the red piece. It's right here, red, green, edge piece. Now, align the green, red is on the left side, take it to the right, do left hand algorithm here because red is on the left side, and come to right and do right hand algorithm. Now, after you're done with the second layer, I discussed with you some special cases of that. There's just one special case in which the edge piece is not on the top layer, but instead it's in the middle layer here, like this. Now, consider you're solving the blue and red first, and you don't find the edge piece in the top layer. You might be confused where it is, but you realize that it's in the middle layer. So take that out. It's very simple. So it's here, right? Now do the right hand algorithm here, and go to the adjacent side and do the left hand algorithm. See, it's in the top. Now after you're on the top, you know what to do. Just align the red with red and blue on the left side. So take it to the right because blue is on the left, take it away. And because blue is on the left, do the left hand algorithm here. And go to blue, do the right hand algorithm. See, it's solved. So after done the second layer, now let's enter into the third layer. So in the third layer, there are actually three cases. So case one is just a yellow color, like a straight line. Case two is when the yellow color is just a dot in between. Case three is when the yellow color is in like 9 o'clock. You understand 9 o'clock, right? You see the clock in that shape. So we don't care about this thing. If it's there or not, doesn't matter. We just see the things that we need. Okay? So here is the straight line case. So what we need to do is check the sides parallel to the straight line. This side or this side. You can choose any one of the sides according to your wish. So I chose this side. And what you do is flip the side once, like towards your right. Flip the side once to the right. Do the right hand algorithm and unflip it. So you get the plus sign. Now there's the second case. There's the 9 o'clock case that I already discussed. See, you can compare this to the clock. It's like a 9 o'clock tire. So in this case, you do the same thing. Put it like 9 o'clock interface, and then the side parallel to this, the same thing. Flip it once to its right, and your writing algorithm, and unflip it. Now get the straight line piece, and you know what to do it. I just discussed it earlier. Flip it, writing algorithm, unflip. Now this is the third case, it's the dot case. So in this case, take a random side, like parallel side, any random side, and flip it once towards the right, the right hand algorithm, unflip it. Now you got this 9 o'clock interface, and you know here, flip the parallel side once, right hand algorithm, unflip. You got a straight line, flip it once, right hand algorithm, unflip. So after getting the lesson taught, 2 new algorithms come into play. So guys, you might be thinking that this guy's telling me a lot of algorithms, how can I learn them? But guys, it's not the case like that. You can check any other YouTube video about Rubik's Cube solving, but they're harder than mine, I guarantee you that. I'm searched a lot, and then I'm being used to it. I'm very sorry to feel like that. So after getting the plus sign on top, as I mentioned, the 2 algorithms, my first algorithm comes into play. It's called Sune. S-U-N-E, not a Sune, okay? Yeah. So, a Sune algorithm, we use it so that the edge piece color and the center piece match, like this and this, like orange and blue. But see here, the red and green are not matching. So what we need to do is, in the match sides, we keep them like in the 7th position. See, they are even aligned in that way. See, 7 numbers. So there's one aligned here and one aligned here. So what we need to do is, now for the 7th position and the parallel side is 7, this side, we need to apply the algorithm. The algorithm is called Sune, I just mentioned it. So it goes like up, right, down, right, up, and the straight goes back here, right, down. Okay, you might not get it first, but you can see the video clip again and you'll get it. So even in this algorithm, there is another case. Don't worry, it's an easy one. So the first case was like when the pieces are aligned into 7th position. But the second case is like when the pieces are aligned parallel to each other. This side and this side. And these two are not matching. So in that case, do the Sune algorithm in any of the parallel sides, this or this, then you automatically get this. So when you do Sune algorithm, this thing will be the case. And then you rotate this, all of them will be aligned. Now after the Sune, here comes the last algorithm which I was saying. So it's called Nicholas, N-I-C-K-L-A-S, okay? So that algorithm is used for aligning the corners. Means what I mean is, see, here's the red and blue and red side. So the blue-red corner should be here, including the yellow obviously, but it's not here. And check this, red and green. Red and green is not here. Green and orange. Green is on, orange is not here. Orange and blue. Orange and blue is not here. So like none of the corners are matching. You do the Nicholas algorithm in any of the random sides. So I chose this side, and that algorithm goes like up, left, and this side up, and this side right, and down, and down. Now we did the Nicholas algorithm. Now let's see, and also don't forget to align them back after doing the algorithm. Now let's see what all are aligned. See, this side is aligned, green and orange, green, orange. The rest are not aligned. So what did I say? Put the aligned corner to the left, and then do the Nicholas algorithm here again. Up, left, this side up, and right, and down, and this side, like this. And align again. So now see, this corner's aligned, this corner's aligned, this corner's aligned, this corner's aligned. It's totally all corners in their place. But these were just not solved. These were solved and aligned. These were not solved but aligned. So all the algorithms done, you're free from algorithms. So the last step is rotate the cube and the unsolved corner, put it to your right. Do the OG right hand algorithm until it gets solved. Then it's solved. Now rotate the bottom layer once. This piece already solved. Okay, rotate again. Not solved. do the OG algorithm again. And 3, 2, 1. Yay! We saw the first cube. Congratulations! And also, if you find our video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.